To disable fingerprint always on feature to conserve more battery in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under security section, tap biometrics. Tap fingerprint. Enter your current secure screen lock as the example if you use pattern through your pattern. And then tap the blue on off switch next to fingerprint always on to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off. When the fingerprint always on feature is off, you need to turn on the screen first before you can scan your registered fingerprint to unlock the phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.